Welcome to this explainer, everyone. Today, we're taking a look at something absolutely mind-blowing, the Galactic Halo. You know, when you picture a galaxy in your head, you're probably imagining this brilliant, swirling, bright disk of stars, right? Well, today, we're going to zoom way out. We're traveling far beyond that familiar, glowing center to explore this vast, dim envelope of the cosmos that completely surrounds it. Which brings us to a really fundamental question. Where does a galaxy actually end? I mean, our brains naturally just want to draw a hard line right around the glowing parts. We want to say, hey, the light stops here, so this must be the absolute edge. It's kind of like we treat galaxies like islands in an ocean, assuming there's this definitive beach where the island definitively stops and the water begins. But the universe is so much more fluid and honestly far more fascinating than our literal boundary-obsessed minds usually assume. Okay, let's dive into this. To really understand it, we have to look past the visible disk. That's the bright, bustling main body of stars and cosmic dust that absolutely dominates all those sci-fi movies. Beyond that lies the outer component. Now, it doesn't glow. It's not going to be caught by your basic backyard telescope lens. Yet this unseen territory completely and totally dwarfs that visible main body we're so used to studying. So the crucial point is that astronomers call this massive outer component the Galactic Halo. It is essentially a huge, dim envelope around the main body of a galaxy. And I just absolutely love this analogy of an envelope. It's not just some empty void. It's a structural enclosing layer that literally wraps around the bright, bustling city of the visible galaxy. To put that into perspective for you, while the visible disk might be, say, 100,000 light-years across, this dim envelope can extend for hundreds of thousands of light-years further out into space, just holding all its secrets in the shadows. And here's where it gets really wild. Instead of a hard border, the galaxy behaves completely differently, fading gradually into intergalactic space rather than ending at a sharp edge. Just let the magnitude of that sink in for a second. There is no wall out there. There's no hard stop sign where the galaxy announces, yep, I'm finished. This massive galactic halo slowly, quietly dissolves into the endless void of intergalactic space. It literally transforms how we visualize the entire structure of the cosmos. We're not looking at a collection of solid objects, but rather a series of dissipating concentrations of matter. Now, you might be wondering, if it's so incredibly dim and it just sort of fades away, why do scientists dedicate so much immense time and cutting-edge technology to studying it? Well, it's because the halo is a literal cosmic treasure trove. It reveals both visible and invisible matter. You see, the galactic halo isn't just empty space. It's a massive repository of critical information. By peering into this dim envelope, astronomers are piecing together the entire puzzle of a galaxy's makeup. They're uncovering the secrets of the matter that we can see, and, perhaps way more importantly, the profound mysteries of the matter that we absolutely cannot. And this brilliantly illustrates what we actually find out there. So, what exactly is inside this envelope? Well, we find older, scattered stars that have somehow wandered incredibly far from the galactic center, along with these vast, diffused clouds of gas. But without a doubt, the ultimate prize hiding out there is dark matter. It's a bit of an ironic name, right? Since it doesn't shine at all. But this totally invisible substance is the actual gravitational glue holding the entire galaxy together. And guess what? The halo is its primary hiding place. Which leaves us with a pretty profound thought to wrap up on. If the edges of galaxies are filled with this invisible dark matter, what else is hiding in the dim envelopes of our universe? By completely rethinking where a galaxy ends, we've managed to discover the unseen glue of the cosmos itself. It really makes you wonder, as we continue to look deeper and deeper into the gradual fades of space, what other invisible secrets are just waiting to be revealed. Keep questioning the boundaries of what you see, and hey, thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.